Logic programming. Explained in simple words. What does logic programming mean? Logic programming is a programming paradigm where you write facts, rules, and queries, and the computer derives answers using logic. Instead of telling the computer how to do something step by step, you tell it what is true and let the computer figure out the solution. In simple words, logic programming equals programming using facts, rules, and reasoning. It means, in logic programming, you define facts about the problem. You define rules that describe relationships. You ask queries to get answers. The computer uses logical reasoning to solve problems. So, logic programming equals declare facts plus rules means let computer reason. Example idea. Imagine you want to know who is the parent of whom. You can define facts. Parent, Alice. Bob. Parent, Bob. Charlie. Rules. Grandparent, X. Y. Parent, X. Z. Parent, Z. Y. Query. Grandparent, Alice. Charlie. Result. Checkmark computer answers true because it logically infers the relationship. Key concepts in logic programming. Facts. Statements that are always true in the system. Example. Parent, Alice. Bob. Rules. Define relationships between facts. Example. Grandparent, X. Y. Parent, X. Z. Parent, Z. Y. Queries. Questions asked to the program to derive answers. Example. Grandparent, Alice. Charlie. Inference engine. The system uses logical reasoning to deduce new information from facts and rules. Popular logic programming languages. Prolog, the most widely used logic programming language. Datalog, used for database queries and reasoning. Mercury, a modern logic programming language with strong type checking. Some languages like Python or JavaScript can also implement logic programming concepts using libraries. Real-life uses of logic programming. Logic programming is used in artificial intelligence, AI, expert systems, knowledge-based systems, automated reasoning and decision-making, natural language processing, NLP. These applications benefit from logical problem-solving rather than step-by-step instructions. Why logic programming matters. Logic programming allows developers to checkmark solve problems with complex relationships, checkmark automate reasoning, checkmark build intelligent systems, checkmark focus on what rather than how. It is particularly powerful in AI and decision-making applications. Advantages of logic programming. Checkmark expresses complex problems clearly. Checkmark automated reasoning and inference. Checkmark reduces procedural code. Checkmark excellent for knowledge-based applications. Checkmark easy to maintain rules and facts. Disadvantages. Crossmark can be slower than procedural programming. Crossmark harder for beginners to learn. Crossmark not ideal for simple step-by-step tasks. Crossmark requires logical thinking and proper problem modeling. Comparison with other programming styles. Procedural programming tells the computer how to do tasks step by step. Object-oriented programming uses objects and methods. Logic programming uses facts, rules, and reasoning to get answers. So, logic programming is declarative, not procedural. Real-life analogy. Logic programming is like solving a puzzle using rules. You know the pieces. Facts. You know how pieces relate. Rules. You ask the question. The puzzle solver, computer, finds the solution. You don't tell the solver exactly how to place pieces. Just the relationships. Important point. Logic programming focuses on facts, rules, queries, automated reasoning. It is declarative, meaning you describe the problem, and the computer finds the solution. Simple definition. Logic programming equals programming paradigm where problems are solved using facts, rules, and logical inference. Final summary. Logic programming. Checkmark uses facts and rules to model problems. Checkmark lets computers reason and infer answers. Checkmark is widely used in AI and expert systems. Checkmark focuses on what is true, not how to do it. Without logic programming, crossmark automated reasoning would be difficult. Crossmark AI and expert systems would be less efficient. With logic programming, checkmark clear representation of knowledge. Checkmark intelligent systems that can reason. Checkmark declarative and maintainable solutions. Logic programming is an important paradigm for AI and reasoning-based applications.